Welcome to Maharashtra Roundup, bringing you this week's key updates and major decisions from the Maharashtra government. The Maharashtra legislature's monsoon session witnessed several major announcements and policy decisions during this week. In the Legislative Council, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced the formation of a joint committee of women members from both houses to strengthen women's safety. He also pledged to provide daytime electricity to all farmers by the end of the year, expedite pending cases of special teachers, and launch a coordinated campaign to reduce child mortality. In the Legislative Assembly, the ban on marine fishing was extended till August 15 to protect marine resources. Marathi was made compulsory from class 1 to 10 with penalties and possible derecognition for violations. The government also announced stricter measures against child marriage, road accidents and industrial pollution. CM Fadnavis further announced that a dedicated anti-narcotics unit will be established in every police station across the state. The Maharashtra government is implementing its historic Punya Shlok Ahilya Devi Holkar Shetkari Karz Mukti Yojana. Under the scheme, eligible farmers will receive a waiver of crop loans up to rupees 2 lakh, while farmers who have regularly repaid their loans will receive an incentive of rupees 50,000.
हे शेतकरी कर्ज घेऊन नियमित परतफेड करतात अशा शेतकऱ्यांना प्रोत्साहन देण्याच्या हेतूने नियमित कर्ज परतफेड केलेली असल्यास अशा पात्र शेतकऱ्यांना 50,000 रुपयापर्यंत प्रोत्साहनपर लाभ देण्यात येईल.
Farmers with outstanding crop loans exceeding 2 lakh rupees will also be eligible for a one-time settlement or OTS facility. To avail benefits, farmers will have to apply online and ensure that their Aadhaar and bank details are updated. The government has directed banks to upload the loan details of eligible farmers on time so that the benefits can be transferred directly to them without delay.
आमच्याकरता कर्जमाफी ही शेतकऱ्यांकरता एक आपल्याला आमचा शेतकरी जगला पाहिजे, आमच्या शेतकऱ्याला पुन्हा कर्ज घेण्याची शक्ती प्राप्त झाली पाहिजे याकरताचं एक इन्स्ट्रुमेंट, एक उपकरण म्हणून आम्ही कर्जमाफीकडे पाहतो.
आमची भूमिका अतिशय शेतकऱ्यांच्या बद्दल उदार भूमिका आहे. शेतकरी हा आपला मायबाप आहे. आम्ही नेहमी म्हणतो आमच्या तिजोरीवर, राज्याच्या तिजोरीवर, सरकारच्या तिजोरीवर पहिला अधिकार कुणाचा असेल तर बळीराजाचा असेल.
CM Fadnavis reviewed the progress of Maharashtra's key mega infrastructure projects during his June 28th visit to Palghar district. He inspected the Boisar station of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train, the Vadhavan mega port, India's first offshore airport, the Vadodara-Mumbai interchange of the Delhi-Mumbai expressway, the Uttan-Virar Sea Link and the Naringi Creek Bridge. The Chief Minister said these projects will accelerate the development of the proposed 4th Mumbai economic region. He also stated that the Maharashtra section of the Mumbai-Vadodara expressway is targeted for commissioning by August 31st. Deputy CM Sunetra Pawar launched the Pune district-level National Pulse Polio Immunization Campaign by administering 2 drops of the polio vaccine to children.
मी पोलिओमुक्त भारत करण्यासाठी आपल्या राज्यभरातल्या आणि जिल्ह्यातल्या सर्व 5 वर्षाखालील बालकांना एवढंच आवाहन करते की त्यांनी आपल्या बालकांना हा डोस आवर्जून द्यावा आणि आपल्या बालकांचं भविष्य सुखकर करावं आणि निरोगी करावं.
Operations of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport in Nagpur have been formally handed over to the GMR Group. Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu and Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis were present on the occasion. The CM directed officials to complete the first phase of the airport modernization project by 2029 and asked for the work to be expedited. The project is expected to transform Nagpur into a major aviation, logistics and investment hub. The Maharashtra government has taken a major step towards data-driven and AI-enabled governance. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis launched the Maha AI model, Maha DBT 2.0, Maha Sarthi, Digital Life Certificate and standardized Aaple Sarkar service centers. DCM Sunetra Pawar also attended the launch. The CM said that these initiatives will ensure faster, more transparent and more accurate delivery of government services. Maha DBT 2.0 will integrate all DBT schemes onto a single portal, while the Digital Life Certificate system will provide significant relief to senior citizens and pensioners by simplifying verification and service delivery. Those were the key highlights of this week's Maharashtra Roundup. We'll be back next week. Keep watching India Today Television.